2021 Jeep Wrangler 4xe. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Never get bored with the numerous premium built-in features such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, tinted windows, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.